Hey everybody and fans of Scrapbook.com and Foundations Decor. We're here to show you some new products. Now you might have seen some of my other films. This is a no-nonsense film on Scrapbook.com because they're really being mean to me and holding me tight to a schedule. Just kidding, they're not doing any of that. I wanted to show you this. You've seen this before. These are our home blocks, right? Cool 1.5-inch thick block that can sit on a mantle, a breezeway, entry, any sort of flat surface. And the reason I'm showing you that is because these have been so popular, especially with that silly little GNOME guy, that if you don't have one by now, you might be the one person in this country that doesn't. But we're really excited to show you this because we came out with a new word block, and it's the welcome blocks. We decided to throw a nice stain on this one. They will come raw, so you can make them your own style, because if stain doesn't work in your house, well, you can make it a pink one. I don't care. We're next to a Doodlebug booth, which we love Doodlebug, and there is a lot of pink going on there. So I think a pink block would look nice. We've got welcome blocks with some new O's that can go both with the home and the welcome. Now, if you don't know what I mean by O's, we created about, I think we're up to 30 different O, and do that in quotes, O shapes to go in with these word blocks so that you can decorate for any season, occasion, or holiday. Right here is one that's just a basic home. That's a brand new one. It's a door that is like an entrance to the home, and when you have welcome, that seems like a kind of unique, fun thing. And it's a little bit more trendy than some of the ones we've done in the past. That's also where this idea came from. That's our telephone. Just kind of a unique vintage looking telephone. People like to decorate with all sorts of things. Who knew that in 2017, none of us knew that the GNOME was going to be the most popular thing ever. So who knows what's going to be the next most popular, but we do love the phone and the door. Moving on, we also have some of the sports ones. If you're a soccer nut or a baseball or softball nut, football, basketball, if you're that type of family that wants the world to know that's who we are, we'll have a welcome sign that shows where you've replaced the O with the ball. There's other fun things like the Santa head. If you haven't seen it, Scrapbook.com does carry all of these items. You should be checking it out. Just look for Foundations Decor home blocks, and all those options will pop right up for the interchangeable O's. You can decorate for Christmas, any holiday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, all the different ones. Or if you happen to be in Arizona, how about a cactus? Another cool, trendy, unique item. It's kind of a succulent cactus that's been really popular at this show. Or if you don't want to limit yourself to the wilds of Arizona, why not decorate with the entire world?
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.